morning to all of you. Today's online class is Social Science, Continents and Oceans. Today we will talk about continents only because it is a vast subject. Oceans we will take in the next episode. Let me remind you once again, all of you completely watch my videos and subscribe also. Then only you will get the connection to all the subject matters. The world is divided into 7 continents and 5 oceans. On the surface of the earth, we see land areas and water areas. Water areas are called as oceans and land areas are called as continents. All the countries are spread along these continents. We will talk about the continents in this episode. Mainly, there are 7 continents. All our countries are situated in different 7 continents. The continents name as well as the countries included in the continents we will consider in this episode. The 7 continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Once again I will tell Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. I have given a map with this. All of you go through that map and find out the positions of different continents in the map. I have marked the different continents and oceans in the outline map. All of you go through that outline map. India is situated in Asia continent. India is a part of Asia continent. We will see which are the different other major countries present in the Asia continent. India, Pakistan, Myanmar. Pakistan and Myanmar are the neighboring countries of India. Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Iran, Turkey, all these are Gulf countries. We tell it as Gulf countries. Saudi Arabia, Iran, Turkey, Iraq, etc. China is the largest country in Asian continent, China. Indonesia, Thailand. Indonesia is a place, group of islands. Indonesia is a group of islands. Thailand, Mongolia and Russia. Russia, one difference is there. Russia is considered in Asian continent as well as Europe continent. 77% of Russia falls in Asian continent and remaining 23% of Russia is in Europe continent. Now we will go to Europe. The major countries in Europe are Spain, France, Germany, United Kingdom, Poland, Norway, Russia, Ukraine, Greece. Once again I will tell Spain, France, Germany, United Kingdom, Poland. All these are European countries, European invasion of Indian country. Indian independence video I have put You go through that England, England, India, and after 100 years of independent struggle, India could become free. Ukraine, Greece, Russia. Russia, 23% of Russia is in European continent. All of you go next video. I will put the world map political. Next video I will put. In that video you go through that these places, find out these places I am telling here in the coming videos. Map given. North America. The major countries are Canada, United States of America, Greenland, Alaska, Mexico, California. Once again I will tell: Canada, United States of America, Greenland, Alaska, Mexico, California. South America: Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Ecuador, Peru, Brazil, Bolivia. Argentina, it is the world famous um, Argentinian team. Football team is in Argentina. Uh, all this come in South America. Africa: Egypt, Libya, Algeria, Mali, Nigeria. Egypt, Libya, Algeria, Mali, Nigeria. Here, Egypt is world famous. Early civilizations is very much important. Egypt, you might have heard of mummies. Earlier civilizations, Egyptian people kept dead bodies without decay that are called mummies. Egyptian pyramids are also wonders of the world. All these details we will tell in another episode. Australia and Western Australia, Northern Territory, South Australia, New South Wales, Victoria. Once again I will tell: Queensland, Western Australia, Northern Territory, South Australia, New South Wales, and Victoria. Antarctica is the seventh continent. Antarctica is situated in the southern pole. There are no human beings living in Antarctica, but all of the major countries like Russia, United Kingdom, Argentina, etc. Countries made their research centers in Antarctica. Lot of countries made their research centers in Antarctica. Today's episode only this much. I talked only about the major countries present in the 7 continents, oceans, as well as detailed study of these countries. With the map, we will do in the coming episodes. All of you watch completely my videos and subscribe also.